Jake? Or are you going to be antisocial?
No, music day.
He don't care. He doesn't care, does he? He doesn't love us.
I'm over here. I need to know what's going on.
Yeah, you're not safe as you are. I need to hear your lovely sweet voice in my ear. Don't know why I'm going up the most awkward step known to man. Oh my god, yeah, this GoPro literally hits everything. Yeah, if you was on comms, mate. No way he's in the pond. Well, I'll get it down. I'll get it down pretty quick. Like. There we go. Okay, she's heavy. Oh my gosh. What's your name? Wooden ladder, saviour of fence. Little man, little saw. That's it. Oh my god. Hey! Oh, fella Conifer. One hurt! What's Jake saying? He's knackered? No comms, back to your section. Oh. One arm, to be fair. Yeah, I think so. Nice. Just give it a bit of fun. Oh, yeah, yeah. Straight on. Right back. We're fighting in there, aren't we? You know about taking down trees. Right. Need that pole anyway. Don't about me. And that's on my rope as well. Heave. What a day, innit? Okay. It's a bit bigger than I thought. Like bites. Yeah. Pump your slug. Big chicken and hey, good lads. Right back. Is the 462 down there?
Yeah, is that blunt?
It's sharp, it's just cut like a banana.
I'll pass it on after this one, mate.
Sweet, cheers. Yep. Yeah. Is that low enough? Yeah. Brilliant.